Hi guys! We're gonna do a brain rot video about how many characters in brain rot do we know, okay?
Yeah.
Her first.
Ballerina Cappuccina. Second.
Traralero trarala.
Brr, brr, patapim.
Bombardilo krokodilo.
Tung, 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 sahur.
Tripi tropa. Tropi tropi.
Chimpanzini bananini. Your turn.
Ikaw. Kat. Patapin.
I already said that.
That's okay, girl. Tralala. Tung sahur.
Tripi tropa. Tripi tropi.
Oh. Bombardilo.
I already said that.
Ballerina cappuccina. Me.
Are you doing the TikTok like that? Bombardino crocodilo.
Si Banana Ninzi.
Bro. Tang 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 sa uhra.
Ha? Pepsi Ballerini.
You meant ballerina. Pepsi ballerina.
Okay, your turn.
Pepsi ballerina.
Trigulam.
I only know 6.
Me too. That's the end of the video, guys. And smash the
like
button and subscribe to my channel and her channel. Well, yeah, because hers is reasonable and she only has 4 subscribers.
Because I'm a new YouTuber.
Yeah, whatever. Well, anyways, bye guys.
Bye. See you tomorrow.